Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to answer this one. So for this one, we can use about integration by hyperbolic substitution. So I will put about s equals to number 3 string t in here, because if I put this one gone here, we have number 9 string t square, number 9 and number 9. We can do about factorization. String t square plus 1, that is about cos t square, and later that we simplify this one. So we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. So I will put this one gone here, and this one gone here. This one, that is about number 9 string t square. So number 9 and number 9, we can do about factorization. This is about cos t square. Number 9 to the power of 5 over 2. That is about 243. This one we have cos t to the power of number 5. So number 3 multiplied by this one, we have 729. So cos t and cos t, we have cos t to the power of number 6. So this one we can put like this. So about cos t square, we have the formula in here. So we need to transform this one into this one. So 729 over number 2 to the power of 3, we have 729 over number 8. Now we need to expand this one. So I need to focus on this one. So this one we can put cos 2t square. So we have the formula in here. So we have this one. So I will put this one go to the right. So we need to transform this one into this one. And now we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about z equals to sin 2t. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have number 2 cos 2t dt. Because we don't have number 2, so we need to divide both sides by number 2. So this one we change for z. This one we can change by this one. The integration of number 1, that is about z, and the second one, that is about number 3. So about z, that is about this one. Now we go back in here. The integration of this one, that is about this one. So we know that this one, that is about cos 4t plus number 1 over number 2. And this one we have the final answer. The integration of cos 4t, that is about 1 over 4 sin 4t. Number 1, that is about t. The next one, 1 over 2 sin 2t. Number 1, that is about t, and I will put about c. About t, that is about this one. So we divide both sides by number 3. And we got about t equals to option of s over number 3. So I will put this one to change for t. And this is the final. That is the end. Thank you for watching.